We'll begin, sir. Vinita, shall we go ahead? Pradeep ji?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Start.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I
Good
would
afternoon,
like to
sir.
start this program with a small sloka. I would like to start this program with a small sloka as a practice for ILA. And Tasya Yajna Varahasya Vishnuramti Tesaha Pranamam Yepi Kurvanti Tesham Api Namo Namaha. Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatika Krutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Haigrivam Pasmai. I worship Lord Haigriva, who is the very form of knowledge, pure as a crystal, and who is the support of all the knowledge. Thank you for joining our fifth IES webinar of this year on AI in libraries, a catalyst for innovation, discovery, and engagement. Myself, Dr. Shivshankar Prasad, working as a University Librarian at University of Hyderabad, and presently holding the post of PRO, Public Relation Officer. And this program is mostly focused on the AI in libraries and its application in different library services and discovery. And now I request Dr. Pradeep ji to introduce to welcome Nabi Hasan sir, who is a known personality everyone of us. Still, it's a formality to invite him as. And thank you, Pradeep ji, to take over, please.
Good afternoon to one and all, whomsoever is
Good
joined
afternoon, sir.
here as well as through the live streaming on YouTube. First of all, being the president of Indian Library Association, I welcome our today's speaker, Dr. Nabi Hasan, librarian, IIT Delhi, and he is one of the renowned person in LIS. So I welcome you, Dr. Nabi, for sparing your valuable time to come here and interact with the professionals and give a very good topic for interaction to each and every LIS professionals. So I welcome you here, as well as I welcome each and every LIS professional for their participation in each and every program organized for you people. And besides that, I am also welcoming the team of organizing these webinars led by Dr. Vinita. I welcome you all, my colleague Dr. Abhijit and Rajni Sharma, Niranjanji, and Virender Palji, and many more. So I welcome each and everyone. As you all know, the main focus of Indian Library Association is to work for the betterment of the LIS profession in the country, as it was started in 1933, and the main motto is to uh, work like a movement of spreading the LIS fraternity throughout the country. So our aim in this tenure is to interact with more and more LIS professionals and take their feedbacks and go ahead with the feedback and the suggestions come through the various corners from the various professionals. So I now welcome Dr. Nabi Hassan again and Mr. Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Pradeep sir. And as you all know, the AI is a buzzing and part of everyone's life and every sector. Not only it's not only directly, indirectly, it's uh, became mandate for everyone to adapt in every area and depends on now AI, medical, health, agriculture, everything. So libraries are also part of it. Now it is not exceptional. And AI is transforming libraries from static repositories to information into dynamic, user-centric, and most vibrant. Now, by integrating AI-driven applications, libraries are redefining its work area and how information is managed, accessed, and experienced, greatly advancing innovation, discovery, and user engagement. In the early days, libraries operated mostly manually, relying on like card catalogs, access features, and all. And now now we all the system gradually we have migrated to computers and evolution of computers applications, which made mandatory to adapt in the library automation. And then library automation also multiple softwares have come up Initially, there was CDS, ISS, all must be knowing. WinSys, then later it came to Lipsys, VTLS, Slim, Distrax, Sanjay. Many softwares have come up. We all know all these things. And later again, Soul by InfluentNet. In the next generation, what will happen is open source in-house operation applications have come up, like New GenLeap, and then Koha. Koha is widely popular and using almost all NITs, IITs in the country and across the world. And then not only this thing, apart from IT applications, we used DSpace, GSDL, open source software for digital library management. Again, barcode technology, QR codes, technologies keep changing, keep moving ahead. So again, after this thing, again, we used reference management tools like Mendeley, Jotaro, EndNote, and then again, we have used content management systems like Drupal, WordPress, Joomla. So these are all we keep using, keep adding in our field. It's become integral part of us. And then what happened? It is all become like ICT implementation of ICT and enhancing services. And then further we are using Grammarly for spell checking and paraphrasing and Quillbot, and then similarity check softwares like Turnitin and many applications, Authenticate, whatnot. And then later we migrate to mobile applications, then cloud computing. So now big data, machine learning, many things are coming up. So it's a challenge for us, not only just managing libraries, something different. Now we are adapting these technologies and user working towards user-centric achievements is a difficult, not an easy task. So the topic is very relevant and very useful for the all the librarians. And Nabi Hasan sir is eminent personality who is working in IIT. He is a leading IIT among all the IITs. Who I know him for the last 25 years. He was with Himachal Pradesh Agricultural University. Then he was as a deputy librarian in NIT Delhi and University librarian in Aligarh Muslim University. Had enough experience in the technology and as well as library management. So with this and AI also, not only libraries, even for research, we can the AI is most necessary tool for data analysis, data presentation, and Canva, many things, many, and without AI, we cannot sustain in any application, and any the day will come that AI will be part of every application, every tool, every part of life. So with this, now I would like to thank Nabi Hassan, and I now request Nabi Hassan sir to take over further proceed. Thank you, Nabi Hassan sir. Please take over, sir.
Uh, Thank you very much, Dr. OSS, for a long introduction. So welcome everyone to the ILA webinar on AI in libraries, a catalyst for innovation, discovery, and engagement. Before I start, I would request all of the participants to please subscribe to this channel. If you will subscribe and watch this channel, then it will become monetized. Means the YouTube will start giving us some money to ILA. There are some conditions which the channel need to fulfill. So I would request all of you to at least subscribe, not my channel, to ILA webinar channel, so that because it has gained very much popularity, and I could see, I was discussing with Vanita how we can monetize this channel. So I think we are going well, and with few of the subscriptions and few of the more like watching hours, it may become monetized. So please subscribe to this channel. This is my personal request. I sincerely thank the ILA team, especially Dr. Pradeep Rai, Dr. Abhijit, Dr. Benita, Dr. OSS, and others for giving me this opportunity. I also extend my gratitude to all of you for joining us this afternoon. I could see there are more than 200 people who have already joined. Today, we find ourselves at an exciting crossroads. Libraries are not just adapting to change, they are actively shaping it. AI is rapidly transforming our field, offering innovative ways to connect people with information, ideas, and with each other. So, AI is helping libraries evolve into vibrant community hubs, or centers of creativity for problem solving and lifelong learning. And in this session, we will explore how leveraging AI can empower libraries to innovate, expand accessibility, and enhance user engagement. And while addressing the ethical and professional responsibilities, we will cover many of the aspects. Especially, I will be trying to cover some practical aspects, what practical applications are there in different parts of the world of AI. And I will be using most of the screenshot and images. And I will also be using short videos of 10-second, 5-second to showcase how practically things are being explored and implemented. So together, let's discover what the future holds for our libraries and the communities we serve. As already shared by ILA team and Dr. Vinita, we will be having an engaging quiz competition inspired by the Kaun Banega Crorepati KBC or fastest finger first pattern uh, after the presentation, and there will be 24 questions. 20 questions are multiple choice question A, B, C, D. You have to select. One is yes or no, true or false, and another one is like you have to arrange in the sequence. So that quiz will take about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And the top 3 participants will receive certificate of achievement from the ILA. So thank you ILA for like offering certificate as well to the winner, first, second, and third. So I think let's begin with the actual presentation. Let me share my screen. Yeah. Dr. OSS, I think you are able to see
Yes,
my
sir.
screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. So let me settle these icons. So if there are any issues, you can always knock me, okay? Because I will not be able to see the YouTube screen. I will be using my screen.
Fine, sir.
Okay, so as part of this presentation, I am likely to take around 1 hour in presentation and about 15 minutes in quiz, and then we can discuss if there are question and answers. So the session is likely to continue until 4:30. So you should be prepared to like spare those many precious minutes of yours. So outline of presentation, as you can see on my screen, these are some of the things which I'm going to talk about. I will be discussing some background information about the AI, different components of AI. Then AI-based tool, there is a screen for academia. Then finally, we will be talking about different aspects of AI applications. And now the AI has been integrated with robotics and expert systems. So we will be focusing how expert systems are used in connection with the AI in different sections of the library. And augmented reality and virtual reality has also been integrated with the AI. So a couple of slides on AR and VR technologies integrated with the AI in libraries. And gaming is also now becoming part of AI applications which are being used in the libraries. So some of the libraries are using gaming as well, means they have configured the library game in a way that during the process of playing the game, you are exploring the collections of the library or services of the library. Then we will also be talking about generative AI like ChatGPT or Perplexity or Copilot or Gemini. And of course, we will be summing up with the advantages and limitations of AI. So AI is not a new term. We have been seeing applications of mechanical devices since long during the theories of Alan Turing. But the formal launch of AI we could see in 1956 at the Dartmouth workshop when the concept was first proposed by John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky. So my questions of the quiz will be from this presentation only. So you can see presentation carefully. Today, AI is integral to like our all the aspects of life, raising both opportunities But of course, there are some ethical concerns as well. So libraries are no exception because AI is in our day-to-day life. So libraries cannot be an exception. And libraries have long been a vital source of knowledge and resources for communities. And with the application of AI, the libraries have been transformed for enhancing operations or providing better user experience. But of course, there are some concerns as well about the use of AI, and it is the transformation beyond technology. So it requires vision, leadership, and commitment to core values to use AI like accessibility, equity, and trust. So there are some ethical considerations as well. So in simple language, like AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, solve problems like human. So basically, AI is not doing anything on its own. It is like human brain's creation only. So human brain is programming the machines or uh, these devices in a way that they are able to solve our day-to-day problems in a human-like manner. For example, these may include artificial intelligence or deep learning or machine learning or robotics. So it's not a simple one term. AI is a very broader umbrella term, which include various other disciplines like machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, NLP, computer vision, LLM, expert system, robotics, etc. So AI is not a simple single term. It is a umbrella term, and I think I need not to explain or read from the slide. As you can see, there are like different definitions of different terms like machine learning or deep learning or reinforcement learning or natural language processing or computer vision. So AI is used with robotics and expert systems as well. So people are using AI in many ways. As you can see, people are using AI with for their research and academics as well. So these are some of the logos where the people are using AI for their academic purposes or for academia. So let's talk about AI applications in libraries. Of course, AI offers several advantages to libraries, and the basic purpose is to enhance the efficiency of staff or the services or the overall effectiveness of the library services or our products. And it also improve our search or discovery facilities and automation of routine tasks help save our time for important works. It enhances user experience, and you can also provide personalized service using AI, and you can like make use of resources more efficiently. So there could be better resource allocation, and you can enhance the content, and you can also help in the accessibility or in the data-driven decision making. And you can also provide multilingual support as well with the help of AI. If a person is unable to understand English, you can simultaneously take help in Kannada or maybe Marathi or Telugu or Tamil. So it helps in multilingual support as well. And uh, there could be a lot of cost savings as well because the AI can compensate for many people's work. And there is a possibility of scalability as well, means you can enhance or improve or you can keep adding in the services using AI. So as far as the library's specific works are concerned, as you can see, it can be used for many purposes, for cataloging and classification. And in cataloging and classification, you can automate the cataloging work and you can make use of classification. You can take help of AI in classifying the books. using the classification number which are already available. And this natural language processing also helps analyze or categorize different books, or it may help you in the segregation of the content, and it can help you in creating metadata for library material or assigning subject headings, or you can make use of you can also do quality control checks using AI. And of course, multilingual support is always there with the help of AI. And you can also link other data sets with the help of AI with library things. And you can also generate short summaries. So I will be covering some of those things. I will be displaying, showcasing some of those things, how it can create short summaries as well. So as far as AI further applications are concerned, it is very helpful in recommendation system. Some of those who are seeing the movies or series on Netflix, if you are seeing the movies on a particular theme like action movies or romantic movies or thriller movies, the Netflix all automatically suggest you that this movie is going to be released on like this theme, or Salman Khan's next movie is coming up if you are a fan of Salman Khan. So in the same way, if you are integrating AI with your cataloging system or with issue return system or with your like library management software, it can help you suggest books, what books people are using, what topics are more popular, on which topic people are looking, searching your OPEC. And also like you can take help of virtual assistant and chatbot for answering the library queries. IIT Delhi has also developed its own chatbot using open source known as BibDial Plus. So it can help in that way. It can also help in digitization and OCRing as well. Okay, so AI assist in digitizing books and a document using OCR uh, to convert printed material into searchable and editable text. And of course, you can do predictive analysis or as well for collection development. For developing your collection, you can make use of AI facilities. So apart from this, you can also enhance search capabilities by applying AI in different, you can say, library services for different type of user queries. And it can also help you in data security and fraud detection by like it helps monitor and secure library system by detecting anomalies or maybe usage pattern if some of the people are misusing your systems. And of course, language translation is possible using AI. If people are not able to search or understand a particular language in which the catalog OPEC is there, so AI can help convert that language into their language. And of course, it can also offer accessibility tools, or you can curate the content, or of course it continues to evolve. Means what AI is offering today, it may offer better facilities tomorrow as well. Initially we started with chat gpt became very popular. Now there are other AI tools as well which are even more popular, including Perplexity or Grok or DeepSeek or some other like Copilot, etc., or Gemini, etc. So now expert systems have been integrated with AI, and robotics has also been integrated. Means people have created objects and they have configured these objects with the help of AI. And these expert systems and robotics integrated with the AI are playing significant role in enhancing library operations and services. So expert systems are basically AI-based systems which are designed to mimic human decision making process in a specialized area. Means they behave like humans because they have been programmed to serve some particular purposes like shelving of the books, cleaning of the library, providing reference queries answer. So in libraries, expert system can assist in cataloging, recommending resources, answering inquiries, and providing specialized knowledge. They can also help create customized reading list or research guide based on user experience. In the same way, the robots can be employed in the library for various purposes, for example, for sorting and shelving, or robot equipped with RFID technology and AI can help you in shelving the returned books, and they can free up staff time for more complex job. Means the staff can do more human-centered job, and these AI tools integrated with expert systems and robotics can do simple jobs. I think everything is going fine as far as like my slides are concerned.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see this expert systems and
Yes.
robotics slide.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because generally there is some delay in YouTube like transmission. So please let me know if there are any issues. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can see robots here. These are Canva images. So robots is where uh, robots are built and programmed to perform very specific duties. So like people can create different type of like robots, and they can be programmed to perform some sort of function. For example, last year I was in Tokyo, Japan, and there are some shops in Tokyo where the robots are delivering goods to you. And there are a couple of restaurants as well in Tokyo where robots are serving you food. So they have been programmed and they have been trained to serve the customer. Of course, they cannot serve like humans, but of course, people enjoy when these robots are serving. So I will be sharing some of the like practical examples of these robots or expert systems or AI applications, etc. So I think these are your day-to-day AI-based application which you are using. For example, the people who are having iPhones, they might be using Siri. Let me change my pointer. Okay, this is. So the people who are making use of iPhone, they might be making use of AI, or you people are making use of Google when you are using Android devices. Then of course you are using Alexa, and also in your daily life you are using different apps, for example Flipkart, Amazon, Uber Eats, Zepto, Blinkit. So there is a AI assistant integrated with these apps which can help you find answers. So it means AI is very popular and AI is being used by the people in day-to-day life. So this is the first example which people are using in their day-to-day life. Then chatbots are very popular in libraries. Like this is IT Delhi Library chatbot WebDial Plus, which the Computer Application Division has created using open source software. It is completely in-house implementation and it is embedded with the library catalog. We are using Koha. We migrated from Lipsys to Koha, and it helps in basic search, research queries, and provide information about library services, policies, and so it is still not that much trained. If you will ask a difficult question, it may not be able to answer because we are developing the database. The question that you are asking, the answers are prepared for that those questions and they are trained. But there are professional robo like chatbot as well. Like for example, Kingbot is very trained and professional chatbot which is used by San Jose State University, and this is Aisha, which is very popular and trained professional chatbot used by Zayed University in Abu Dhabi. So how do I know about Zayed University? Because our IT Delhi Abu Dhabi campus is in Zayed University complex, and I was there last year. Then these AI and robotics in library at Finland's recent library is very popular. This is the new center library of Finland in Udi, and they are using different type of robots, and they are using googly eyes and they rotate, these robot rotates eyes, and these perform different type of library functions based on different type of sensors or the input they have been provided. This is like a new uh, library which has been developed in Finland, and they have all different type of robots. This is again from the same library. The library has an automatic return systems. The book may be returned in this way, and the book can be sorted with the help of these robotic conveyor belt, and the books can be returned to relevant floor, and the book can be shelved. Please remember, when you are using the robot for issue return, you are not making use of library shelves. You are basically making use of uh, like containers. The books are stored in different containers because robots find it easy to shelve or to take out a book using a container. Okay. And this is like moving, you can say, drop box, which can go to different corners of the library, and people can drop the books here in the robotic this book drop. Then again, this is from the same library. This is universal robot, and it is basically a collaborative arm which stacks books in the basement of the Helsinki's Central Library, Finland, OD. Then this is the robot known as Temi, and it has been employed in the Nanyang Technological University Library in Singapore. If you happen to visit Singapore, you can visit this NTU library and you can see robotic applications. This is basically a smart library assistant, and it can be controlled by voice like Siri, or it can also be controlled by Temi app, which is controlling this robotic application. Then this is another, you can say, AI-based chat tool employed in the Yanka Public Library, and its name is Pepper. And it is used for displaying the user guidance. And this is basically a virtual reference librarian, and this virtual reference librarian has been employed in the library of Konan University. And the name of the robot is Ansen. And it is basically this girl is basically a robotic reference services assistant. It can like answer your reference queries. So these are two robots which have been employed in the Tamsek Polytechnic Library, and they can do multiple jobs, like they can scan pages very fast, they can do stock verification, they can deliver you newspaper and magazines or brochures, they can welcome you, and they can also direct you to different library locations. So these are like two robots which have been employed by Temsec Polytechnic Library, known as Robbie and Bobby, and these are like very fast robots, and they can do a lot of work. So this is another robot known as Libby. Libby has been employed by the University of Pretoria in like South Africa, uh, and it has 60 plus sensors which basically behaves like humans. It is a robot, but it behaves like a human because it has 60 plus sensors, and it can spot anything with 360-degree rotation and navigation. It has a 3D camera as well, which can read gestures and pose animated motion arms as well. And you can do voice localization with this, and also you can do facial recognition.
Hi, my name is Libby. I am a librarian robot working in the University of Pretoria's Department of Library Services, and I am here to assist you today.
What are the hours of the library?
The hours of the library can change from day to day or weekly due to the COVID-19 pandemic regulations. To find the hours, log on to the library website, scroll down to the hours block, and click on all library hours. Please contact us here.
So like you can feed any information, and it has sensors. It can do a lot of things for you. Okay, let's go. So again, these are small, you can say, robotic AI-based support systems in the library. These have been employed in the Tompkins Regional Library, Singapore. And these robots may be used for mobile book drop like this one. And these are auto sorters which can sort the books and can send books to like different floors of the library. So books may be placed on this robot, or you can say device, and the book can be sorted as per the section of the book, and the book will be sent to different floors, and the books will be shelved accordingly. So this is a small video from Tompkins Regional Library, Singapore.
Let me bring you to some of the robots that we have at Tampines Regional.
How this system works.
Let me bring you to some of the robots that we have at Tampines Regional Library. This is the mobile book drop. Since the fixed book drop is at the other side of the library, the main function of this mobile book drop is to allow patron to return the books.
Dr. Banita, are you able to see this, or it is delayed in
the books back?
No, sir.
Little bit delayed.
So that it can
No,
replace
perfect, sir.
shop.
Campaigns
Yes, sir.
regional-
1 second, sir. 1 second delay, sir.
As far as the mobile book drop into different category, so the staff just need to move the bins and put the books into the shelf directly.
Because I'm trying to see in my mobile and it is showing a little bit delay.
Yes,
So
sir. I think 1 second delay, sorry.
okay, that's okay. Like my video has ended, but it is still working in the like YouTube channel. So friend, this is from Singapore. Then yeah, there is a delay. You are not able to see Mohammed bin Rashid library, perhaps. Are you able to see?
No, in YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Not in
YouTube.
YouTube, sir.
So it is quite delay. I think there is a disconnect. I mean, the people may not be enjoying then because it is taking time. Now it is there.
Yes, sir.
So you can see this is one of the most beautiful and modern library, public library of the world. And you can see this is a ship shape library in the Dubai. I was fortunately there last year for like IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi campus library visit. So I could explore this visit, and this library has all the different facilities as any modern library may have, including this AI application and robotic application. So this whole library has been connected through the rail, which is basically employed by the bibliotheca. And this bibliotheca is basically, bibliotheca has employed this rail, and the book can be delivered on a different floor using this rail. There is quite delay in my slide and on YouTube channel. This is the problem. But anyway, now I have understood, because now I have started seeing in my mobile as well. So I'm able to see which slide it is showing. Earlier, I was not checking with my mobile. So, as you can see here, this is the rail which connects different floors of the library, and the book can be delivered at different places, and it can be returned at one place, and then the book can be sent to the relevant section of the library. So here, next screen is like the robotic applications. There is a robot here, and you can play with the robot. You can ask the robot to sing a poem for you. It can do different type. It can like give you answer to different type of reference queries. So I was there with my colleagues from IIT Delhi, and we enjoyed a lot with this robot. As you can see here. So you can ask any question to this robot. I was trying to bring this robot to IIT Delhi library as well. It has been perhaps supplied by Accenture, but the entertaining me. I could not get a support to buy this robot because the robot that has been offered to me by Bibliotheca company is a different kind of robot. It is known as Romi. I will show you that robot as well. So this is wonderful library. If you happen to visit Dubai, do visit this Mohammed bin Rashid library, and you will find all different great functionalities here. So if you have any question, you can ask the question at the end of the session. Okay. It is quite delayed. I am on next screen. Yes. So this is another robot which is known as paper category of robot. This is the category of robot. It is very first social humanoid robot. It can aid users, and it is very friendly and helpful, and people are able to it is able to recognize faces, and it can understand some of the basic human emotions. It can tell the children stories like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or Alu Kachalu Beta Kahan Gaye The, or Nani Teri Morni Ko Mor Le Gaye. It can sing all the interesting things to you, and you can play with these robots, which are known as paper type of robot. So next category of the robot is Agora category of robots. It is still not on your YouTube screen. Agora. So this is another category of robot which are very small type robots. While you are discussing something in the library or anywhere, you can on these robots, and you can ask people to discuss on any topic, and these robots also participate in your discussion or conversation, and these can also help you in getting answer for different type of queries. So next is the Hunt Library in the North Carolina. And this Hunt Library is the completely robotic library. There is no human intervention in this book-bought library in the North Carolina. We had a SLA conference in this city. It has beautiful sitting spaces, as you can see, but it is completely handled as robotic library. The humans will not interfere in issue and return of the books. It is completely robotic. I can show you a small video of this, how this system works. Okay, let's see how this book board works. These are known as book board.
The library's website. The request places a hold on the book and activates the book bot. The book bot pulls the corresponding bin that contains the book. The bin is delivered to
So
a
this is
website.
how bookboard works. Like books are stored in the different containers. Books are not stored on like in the shelves, and the robots can get the book
Within
to
the
you
hour,
from different
book is
containers, which may be at a very much
the patron
high
checks out the book using
position.
their NC State University ID.
So this is next category of robot. As you can now see on my screen, it is known as Romi. So this robot is available for Indian libraries as well. It is costing close to 50 lakh rupees, but it is largely static robot. I mean, it looks like a robot, but of course it is not. It is not having arm and other things as Mohammed bin Rashid library robot has.
Enter your password and then press the OK.
So this robot can also do issue return, can answer your different queries, can take you to the bookshelf if you need a book. So you can do multiple type of jobs using this robot. And these are different type of book sorters, like books, how the books are stored. Books are stored in different type of containers. As you can see on my screen, books are not stored on the shelves. So, of course, we have been hearing a lot about drone or unidentified aerial vehicles, and we have seen use of these drones and unidentified aerial vehicle during this Ukraine and Russia war, and we have seen the use of drones during India-Pakistan conflict as well. But these robots are also used for delivering the books, for book delivery, for stock verification, for library tours, for maker space support, and for aerial photography and videography as well. This is the actual robot. The service is delivered by a library, and I have given the link of some of the libraries which are using the robot.
As a school librarian, it is extremely important to me to have connections with my students so that I can make sure that they've got access to the resources that they need and the resources that will.
So these robots can do different type of book delivery, book collection, stock verification, library tours, maker space support, and many other functions they can do. I mean, the books are packed in a special way, and how these books are delivered, you can see here. So she's a school librarian who really promoted use of this service, and she feels that these small kids, whenever they need some support through books, they should be provided relevant support. So this is virtual book issue return system in most of the public libraries now, including New York Public Library. Maybe I'm not sure about New York Public Library, but I have heard. But I've seen in some of the US libraries or Japan library that the books are issued virtually. If you enter in the campus of the library and you are account holder of that library, the book can be issued to you virtually. Okay, the book will be issued to your device and the book will automatically expire after some time, like 14 days. Same way, like Netflix is working. If you stop subscribing to Netflix, you will not be able to access movies. Even the downloaded content will also be not playing. And Overdrive is a platform which is providing such a services online in India as well. There are few of the customers of Overdrive, means you can subscribe some collection, and you can also identify the number of user 423, and you can do that. So this is mobile based AI application which are very popular in your mobile phones. I think most of you are using AI, Meta AI, using your WhatsApp, And ChatGPT and Perplexity is also available as mobile application. I'm also using in my iPhone. But please remember, it is not always giving you correct answers. So you should be cautious whether these are correct answers or not. So next screen is about augmented reality and augmented reality tool. So library have now integrated augmented reality tools as well in their operations, as you will be seeing in my next screen. And these augmented reality tools are not from outside India, but from India as well. Like this is from Madurai Public Library. This is again from Madurai Public Library. This is from Muhammad bin Rashid Library. This both, and this is from like Ahmedabad. I am Ahmedabad, and you feel if some of you might have visited Prime Minister's Museum in Delhi. So that gives virtual reality experience. Like Karunanidhi ji is not in this world, but you can feel like you are talking to uh, Karunanidhi ji, or you can like feel like you are with the robots and you are playing with the robots and you are doing different activity. But actually, I was not there with the robots. Neither I was with the Karunanidhi ji. Okay, because it is known as augmented reality, right? So virtual reality is another important like application in the library. You will see in the next screen. And virtual reality is basically used using by wearing a device. We have to wait for some time because it is taking time. There is perhaps 1 or 2 minutes, at least 1 minute's delay. So this is basically virtual reality. In virtual reality, you have to wear this device and you can experience like you are in that world. So this is from IIT Kharagpur and this is from Cabot Library. I was in Harvard and MIT last year and I took these photographs from my own mobile. They have augmented reality, virtual reality and extended reality as well. This is from Cabot Library of Harvard and this is from IIM Ahmedabad. So these are the services which are again very popular in the libraries. So next screen is gaming in the library. Gaming in the libraries means you can design a game and you can ask the users to play the game. And during the process of playing the game, the users will explore the collection of the library, or you may ask some of the questions from the users and they will like explore collections of the library while playing the game. So I think Goethe Institute library, which is a German library in Delhi, is making use of this gaming thing uh, in the library service. But this is very common and popular in most of the countries, this gaming in the libraries. So next screen is generative AI. I think you all understand. So library people should remember that most of the products now are available with AI application. Like you have Scopus AI, you have Science Direct AI, you have Web of Science Research Assistant, you have Quillbot AI, you have Grammarly AI. All these products we are making use of in IT Delhi library. Scopus AI means instead of like creating a summary or content from outside, it creates content from the abstract. Those are indexed by Scopus. Or instead of considering content from public domain, Science Direct AI will create content from the papers, full text paper, which are in Science Direct platform. Same is the case with Web of Science. And of course, like you can do a lot of things using Quillbot and Grammarly. And you can make use of the applications of these generative AI. So ChatGPT is one of the most popular application which is used in the library. People have taken like commercial version of ChatGPT and they have configured ChatGPT with their system. Like they have integrated APIs, like Koha type of software provides you a facility to integrate API with some system. So with integration of ChatGPT commercial application with your library management system or library services platform, you can provide various like services like virtual reference services or like catalog search services or maybe book recommendation, interactive tutorials, readers, advisory, language learning. You can do many things using ChatGPT or any such AI application, including Perplexity, and you can like integrate using API. So next screen, as you can see on my screen, is like content generation using AI ML. So when you are generating the content using AI, it is not necessary that the content generated are correct. For example, JEE advanced question paper was given to ChatGPT to solve, and ChatGPT was able to answer only 11 questions correctly out of 100 questions. In the same way, when I asked Meta AI, my phone, WhatsApp Meta AI, who is Nabi Hasan. So he said that Nabi Hasan is a university librarian of IGNU, okay, and he's a president of Indian Library Association. So it gave completely incorrect information. When I asked what is one nation, one subscription to ChatGPT, it was not able to answer correctly what is one nation, one subscription. It gave me generalized answer. And also, if you are generating content using AI, then if you are checking these content from Turnitin or other software like Grammarly, then these softwares are able to detect whether your content are AI generated or you have written the content or your own. So I think when you are using the AI for generating the content, please remember if somebody is checking your content, the system will verify and identify the pattern of the text, and it will identify that the content have been generated using AI. So then there are issues with the copyright of generative AI. So there are laws in US. We have yet not come out with clear laws in India. So AI can never be considered as a author because it is generating the content from already available content. So there is a question whether the output from generative AI system infringes the copyright or not. The traditional question is whether the AI generated output is substantially similar to the uh, uh, underlying work or not, because the AI is regenerating the content. Content still belong to someone else. So AI cannot be claimed as author. So there are some ethical issues. Then I think by now you have understood that there are several advantages of AI, like you can enhance search and discovery, you can provide personalized user experience through chatbot or virtual assistant. You can achieve operational efficiency, like for routine tasks, you can save a lot of your time. And AI-based information literacy instructions can be given. You can do a lot of data analytics. You can provide language support. You can provide document delivery services using AI. You can do automation of routine tasks, especially making use of robots. And you can take data-driven decisions for collection development or for providing content to the user or for buying new books. You can check the trend and all those things. So I think these AI application in libraries helps in many ways, and you can take advantage of AI in developing collection or providing really great services to the user. So my next screen is limitation of the AI in libraries. So nothing comes free, and or you can say every good thing also has some limitations. So there are some limitations of AI application as well, like there could be some biases or there could be some privacy or ethical concerns in use of AI. Some skills and training is also required for making use of AI in a good way. Then there are implementation challenges if you are integrating with some of the library applications. There could be some implementation challenges, and there is lack of human interaction, or there could be some downtime as well. And of course, we are mostly dependent on vendor solution when we are making use of AI. And of course, propagating misinformation, if the algorithm is not correct, then there is a possibility. And of course, as people say, like over dependence of everything, anything is not good. Like if you are over dependent on machine, then you may be like missing a human touch. Like you are not able to understand the actual feelings or emotion of the users who are coming to you. So basically, these are some of the concerns associated with the use of AI in libraries or in our general life. So I think with this, I would like to sum up that AI in libraries represent a transformative shift in how information is basically managed, accessed, and utilized. How you can better perform services of the library, and you can how you can like keep your user engaged. But of course, AI in libraries also have some challenges, as I discussed in my previous slide. There are some ethical considerations. There are some data privacy and algorithm biases, and it is creating digital divide as well. So, in closing, I would like to use the words of futurist Alvin Toffler, who perhaps correctly said that the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. So let us therefore embrace this journey of continuous learning, thoughtful innovation, and human centered AI adoption, ensuring that libraries remain not just relevant but indispensable in the AI powered future. So, AI will tremendously change the face of the library as we know it today. But as usual, it cannot replace humans, including librarians. Like when computers were introduced, people were worried that it will take away the jobs of the librarians. But it has not taken jobs of the librarians, or it has not taken the works of the library, but it is facilitating library works. In the same way, AI will basically co-survive or coexist with the human librarians, and it will continue to support humans for providing better services in the library. So libraries and librarians' existence will remain there. And you might have heard about Lancaster, who gave the concept of library without walls. But before his death, he took back that statement, and libraries are still surviving with walls as well. So AI, computers, automation, and librarians will continue to serve. And these are some of the references which I have used. I have tried to acknowledge all the resources that I have used, and I have given all these references. I have tried to acknowledge on that relevant page as well the resources which I have used. So I think with this, I would like to thank each one of you for sparing your valuable time for like listening to me for 1 hour. Unfortunately, there is lot of delay in my slide on Zoom and the slide which is visible on YouTube, because people are connected through YouTube only. Only the administrators or organizers are on Zoom. So there is at least close to 1 minute delay in my slide. So it is very difficult to like make connection between slide and what I am speaking. Luckily, I got it late so that I am able to see on my mobile that what slide is visible. So you can write to me on these email address if you have some queries. And I think most of my videos are already available on my YouTube channel, so you can check those videos. Thank you very much, Dr. Benita and OSS and all those who joined. And I think let's go to quiz and then we can take question answer. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Should we go to
Yes,
quiz?
sir.
Perfectly fine, sir.
So be prepared for quiz. So there will be, of course, there is some delay, unfortunately. So like we have to bear with that. There is lot of delay. In fact, there is delay of almost 1 minute. So I think I would request ILA to have a like more user account on Zoom. Like I'm using SLA Zoom account, which has a capacity of accommodating up to 500 people. So I think as a ILA, you people have
Sure,
enough
sir.
money to.
Sir, how much would it be cost if we go for this thing, sir? Any
I'm
idea?
not sure because that money has been paid by SLA USA. They have provided me access because I'm president-elect of Leadership and Management Division in that capacity. But I think until you have a account, we together can host a webinar using this.
Yes, sir.
If both the names are integrated, I have the freedom to use that account as well.
Yeah.
So, friends, either you can is my screen shared? No.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Not yet. Let me share my screen. Okay. Because of this delay, I'm facing an issue. Okay. There is lot of delay. So participant, only first 200 people will be able to join because my account can. So you can scan this QR code and then you can select any icon of the, and then you can name yourself. 3 work. Scan this. Don't scan by Paytm or Phone Pay or those things. You need to scan through your mobile scanner. Okay. Scan this QR code and then scan this QR code is select one icon. Please listen to me. Scan this QR code, select any icon and then name yourself. If you are not able to scan, then take the screenshot of this QR code and press it. Then also you will be able to use it. Third option is you can type kahoot.it and then give this pin. Already 24 people have joined, so I have to stop at 200 because I have a maximum account of 200 people can be accommodated at a time. 288 people are watching, so I would request the Zoom organizers as well to join.
Not to join?
To join, except
Okay.
Dr. Binita, because Dr. Binita is aware about few of the questions.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I practiced with
Thank
her
God. We are
yesterday.
exempted.
Except Binita and her team from TMU, they cannot join.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Please remember, it is fastest finger first. Means you have to answer correctly and you have to answer fastest. 20 seconds will be given for MCQ type of questions. And then there are 2 questions which are true and false. And one question is you have to arrange in the sequence by moving slide. Very quick, 97 people have already joined. I think this will be the maximum number of the players in my app.
Great, sir. See, in fact, 300 is attended. See, these days people are attending 300 and continuously sitting is not an easy task, sir.
Yeah.
300 is rich.
I tried to make the presentation interesting using short videos, but the problem is there is a delay in transmission.
Yeah.
So 125 people have already joined. Should we wait or start? People are still joining.
You can keep target of 150, sir, and at least people should not feel bad. They did not get chance. Otherwise, they would have won.
Yeah, please join by scanning QR code or typing kahoot.it on web browser, or you can take a screenshot of this or photo of this and then you can click. It will take you to the link.
Tangible. These Immersive. Very good.
I think we should start now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm giving just 1 more minute to join. You can join in between as well while we are playing the game using kahoot.it then code, but then you will not be winner because you will be joining. So giving just 1 minute. If you are not able to join in 1 minute, I will start.
Participation is important, sir, than winning.
There are already 154 people.
Yes, yeah. Go ahead.
Go ahead, sir.
People are still joining. It is 160. Okay, I'm starting because there is never no end to this. So you have to answer on your mobile only, and you will be able to see you answered correctly or not. Who is Dr. Pradeep Rai? Think carefully before answering. It is a very tricky question. COSS, only 29 people could answer correctly. डॉक्टर प्रदीप भाई, बड़े दुख की बात है कि 29 लोगों ने सही जवाब दिया, क्योंकि मैंने कंफ्यूज कर दिया. ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द करेक्ट आंसर. लोगों ने प्रेसिडेंट देखा, कर दिया. उन्होंने ही नहीं देखा. मैत्री कॉलेज के लाइब्रेरियन भी हैं वो, और एक्स सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी. दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. Only 29 answered correctly. Who answered first? Susmita. Good. Let's go ahead. Next question. Two questions are general questions, not from. अरे भाई, इंडियन लाइब्रेरी एसोसिएशन कब बनी थी? प्रदीप जी ने शुरू में ही बताया. ये तो 74 के 100% करेक्ट होना चाहिए था. Now the questions from these slides. 165 people are playing. Good. So Zin is leading, followed by Ahuja and Sharul. Zin is still leading. Now Ahuja is leading, followed by Zin and Ujjal Barua. Good. Now 177 people are playing. More have joined. Ahuja is leading, followed by Ujjwal and Manju Dubey. Very good. 150 correct. 157 correct answers. Good. Now Kamaldeep Patka is leading, followed by Manju and Ujjwal. 180 people are playing now. Manju Dubey, followed by Ahuja and Jin. Very close competition. Just 1 second. One second. Yes. Question number 17. Now the lead will consolidate slowly. Those who are not speaking, please mute themselves. There is a disturbance from the organizers. Question number 20. Manju, Ahuja, Ujjwal, Saurabh, Susmita. Let's see who is the winner. 4 more to go. These are double points questions. Just 3 questions to go. One 180 people are playing as of now. I think people are answering very correctly except first question. 167 correct. Manju, Ahuja, Susmita, Ujjwal, Saurabh. Just 2 more to go. Next question is true or false. And the last one is you have to arrange in the sequence by dragging on your mobile. So next 2 questions are not of like multiple choice. This is true or false. One 182 people are playing now. Oh, very close. Ahuja, Saurabh, Virender Pal, new player. Dipali, new player. Manju has gone down. So this is the last question. In this last question, you have to arrange on your mobile by sliding from top to bottom. Means the AI which is used maximum on top and the AI which is used least out of those 4 at the end. I hope you understood my question. This is a puzzle question. And I have given 1 minute to this question, 3 times more time. Please arrange carefully. Last 2 seconds. Only 25 answers are correct. The number 1 was ChatGPT, followed by Google Gemini, Perplexity, and Microsoft Copilot. It was difficult question to arrange. So who is the winner? Who could be the winner? Vanita?
Manju,
Manju.
I think.
Any more guesses? 1, 2, 3.
Ahuja might be on the race continuously because
Let's see. Let's see.
the Virender Paul. Great.
Virender Pal, sir.
Third.
Third.
Saurabh
Saurabh.
Devna.
Ahuja, yeah, my guess was
Yeah.
correct.
Sunil and Dipali are 4 and 5. So, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the session.
There's a
We
small
can.
interruption.
Yeah.
Sir, Nabi has
So,
an interruption.
Dr. Vinita, you can note down the names or you can take a screenshot.
Sir,
Yes,
small
sir.
interruption.
Sir.
The participants who is won their this thing quiz, they are supposed to give the full names so that certificates will be issued with the full names.
Okay. So
They will drop
Ahuja,
in the chat box or
yeah, Ahuja, Saurabh, and Birinder, can you please send your correct name in the chat box? Please, right now, because the certificate will be issued right now itself. So I can show summary as well. Hmm. I think there is no need. Yeah, there is no need to show summary because, or would you like to see full report where others stands? Participant. So there basically 240 people joined, but their maximum 188 were at a time. So as you, I don't know whether you are able to see or not.
you could see, sir. At least 1, 2, 3, 4.
Name of the people.
10 people you can see.
Yeah. So Ahuja 1, Saurabh Devnath 2, Birinder Pal 3rd, Sunil 4, Dipali 5, Manju 6, Srikant 7, Abhinav 8. You can see full report.
Right.
Okay. Dr. Vanita, I will be sending you the full report.
Yes, sir.
I will
Yes, sir.
download and send it to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then let's
Yes,
go
sir.
back to podium. So this is the podium. You can take the screenshot and I will stop sharing the screen. Yeah. I'm done. Thank you very much for your cooperation and support.
Is it over, sir? Complete?
Yeah, it is over from my side. If you want
Yes,
to
sir.
take few of the questions, we can
Yeah.
take.
So now we proceed for questions. Sir, can you able to see questions in the YouTube? Or do we need to from?
No, you
Should
have
I
to read.
repeat?
It is difficult for me to
Yeah,
have a look.
yeah.
Chat.
I can read, sir, if you want.
If
There are
if
many
there are any
multiple questions.
important questions, if
Yeah.
there are any important, because you have to moderate, there are
Yes.
many content in the chat.
There are many questions.
If there are any important, like some relevant question which
Yes, sir.
require.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are AI tools and technologies. This is question from Ruby Tagbore. AI tools and technologies. What are some of the most popular AI tools currently used in libraries? Currently
So,
used in libraries.
so of course, like I have shown in the last slide as well, last question as well. ChatGPT is used in the library a lot. IT Delhi also has a professional version of Perplexity. So Perplexity is equally used. I'm also using Copilot, which is from Microsoft. And I'm not using Gemini, but Gemini is also used by people. So these are 4 popular tools, but people are also using DeepSeek and Grok. Most popular is ChatGPT, followed by Perplexity, Copilot, and Gemini. This is for general purpose. Then for like paper review or review of literature, there could be other tools.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are multiple questions. How can we go? Question is one, sir. What are the key learning outcomes needed? Learning outcomes needed for librarians and users to effectively interact with the understand AI-powered library services. What are the key learning outcomes needed for librarians to effectively interact with and understand AI-powered library services?
So I think key learning outcomes depends upon person to person. Like
Yes.
this was 1 hour session. It is up to you.
Yes, sir.
What were takeaways for you? Like what were key learning outcomes for you may be different for another one.
Okay. What role can AI play in collection development and resource management? What role can AI play in collection development and resource management?
So as in IT Delhi library, we have renamed the section acquisition section as collection development. So if I understand collection development for printed books, of course, it can help us understand user requirement, like what type of books people are getting issued, what type books are popular, like fiction or like political science books or biochemical engineering books. So on the basis of like behavior of the people with the database integrated with AI, I think we can add important collection which may really be useful.
Yes, sir. How is AI currently being integrated into modern library system?
So I think this whole presentation was about that only, like AI may be integrated as per your requirement. You can integrate your Koha as well with the AI because Koha has a API application. So
Yeah.
you can integrate your library management system. You can integrate reference queries of the user like we have integrated. Okay. So it depends upon library to library. You can also integrate like issue return things as well. So it depends upon library to library. It is a
Most of the
very,
questions are repeated. Maybe words are different and if you are paraphrasing different, but
so I
almost.
think most of the questions have already been
Yes, sir.
answered in the
Yes, sir.
presentation. So
Yes.
this video is available on YouTube channel of ILA. So I think you can go back to this video
Yes,
and
sir.
you can listen again. And I think
Yes.
all the
You could.
questions
There
are
is a
being
lot of
asked.
information which is already. The questions is answerable through your PPTs, which I could go through.
Right.
So, and however, you have given your email ID to all the audience, so
Yeah.
they can contact by mail also by through that they can get answered. That
Right.
means because that's.
And I think
Uh,
many of these presentations are also available along with the slide on my YouTube channel as well.
and ILA is also keeping these recordings online, sir. And there is.
Yeah, yeah, it is already available. People
And
can.
this is the thank you for wonderful program, sir. In fact, we have organized 5 programs almost within a short period from ILA. This is an amazing response we got it from the LA's audience because almost 300 plus and with a short duration. Almost we had program last week and continuously having another program this thing. And the topic is very relevant and essential for the new generations because AI is pop up everywhere and many confusions. What is AI? What is AI? Where to use it? How to use it? And can we do it or not? How much cost involved? And we have given very plenty of information and covered almost all every aspect of AI. So like machine learning, what all the components, natural learning process, natural language processing, robotics, deep learning, expert system, neural networks, many things. AI-based tools for academia, AI in libraries, expert systems, robotics, and you have given with live examples, the libraries which are having conveyor belts for accepting written of books and sorting out books. Many videos you have shown us and mobile-based AI applications, augmented reality, virtual reality applications, generative AI, and what are the advantages of using AI in libraries, like how chatbots help us and digitization, how we adapt how we can adapt AI in digitization and enhance search facility and language translation and how we can convert this thing as a text to audio to text this thing OCRs and content curation data security also how we can keep safe our data through AI, accessibility tools, many things we have covered, sir, and different names like Robbie, Bobby, Libby, many things. These are very peculiar to us. Libby video is very interesting. And not only videos and pictures which you have shown is very interesting to see and all, and curious to see how it goes and how these are segregating the books in trolleys and making separation and Helsinki Library, Finland, you have shown one example. So many things we have seen it, sir, and we are thankful to you, and we are happy to listen to you, and we are further would like to see further any there is any possibility would like to listen to you all the time since you have enough exposure in the field, and this is not the first program I'm joining of your lecture, and I would like to convey my thanks on behalf of ILA and all the office bearers of ILA and organizers, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you once again. And my small session now, I would like to invite. May I call upon our friend or colleague would like to wind up because it's almost quarter to 5, and people are curious to go home. May I now call upon my friend, old friend Abhijit Sinha, who is librarian of Deen Dayal College, who is librarian of one of the colleges of Delhi University and Vice President of Union Territory, to say vote of thanks and conclude the session.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Prashad. Good evening, everyone. It's been a long session and of course, a very interesting one. As we are heading towards the conclusion of this today's program, ILA National Webinar on the topic AI in Libraries, a Catalyst for Innovation, Discovery and Engagement. This has marvelously been, delivered by none other than, one of the brightest and mind and leader in the field of library technology, Dr. Nabi Hasan, IIT Delhi librarian. Let's have a big round of applause for him. I would also like to give some concluding remarks. As you know, friends, we are here at a stage where we need to design, train the machines, computer system, and software so that it gathers data, understands it, assimilates it, reason it, and delivers the customized information output and its interpretation, taking into consideration all the variability of the given problem situation. We all understand that the computer machines have far more capabilities to compute, analyze, and predict a pattern, large data sets on a much larger scale with incredible speed and accuracy. These machines can now, they employ various techniques of natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, voice recognition, image and pattern recognition, large language models, and other algorithms in order to assist human beings in all its activities as robots, chatbots, and AI agents. The various tools of AI, therefore, is to be engaged decisively by the library professionals in order to serve their users more efficiently for the varied information needs with much innovative approach to knowledge discovery and its application. AI tools can be deployed for the various technical and administrative functions of the library as well. Today, we saw that the session was attended by more than 300 plus participants. So on behalf of Indian Library Association, its organizing team, fellow professionals, and all the participants, I express my sincere gratefulness and convey heartfelt thanks to the speaker, Dr. Nabi Hasan, for the wonderful deliberation and apt coverage of the latest buzzing topic of AI in the libraries. I thank President ILA, Dr. Pradeep Rai, and Dr. Dharan Kumar, General Secretary, for providing this platform and appreciate the efforts of our webinar organizing team led by Dr. Vinita, our ILA PRO, Dr. Prashad, and others in conducting this wonderful webinar, thereby educating the library professional and masses. Thanks to all the participants for joining and making this program a great success. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Abhijit. May I now request to audience to stay few more minutes. The certificates is I would like to call Nabi Hasan sir to present the announce the prize winners. I mean first who is won in the first, second, third, to display their certificates on the screen so that we will be happy to know again and congratulate all the winners on behalf of ILA and organizers, and it's a wonderful effort from the Nabi Hasan sir, and it's really interesting and crazy for everyone.
So it's a paid app. It's a very costly app. We are paying hundreds of dollars, but we are making use of it. So I would like to congratulate Dr. Vinita. She has created the certificate in such a short time, but there will be issues with spelling because you have not shared your you have not shared your name correctly. Dr. Vinita, who was the first?
Sir, Ahuja.
Ahuja. So yeah. So this is the certificate, Mr. Ahuja, for you. Congratulations. And then there are other certificates as well. Yeah. So
Rahul.
So next one is yeah. Dr. Vinita, you can share, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The second and the third one.
Yes, sir.
So if there are any corrections in the certificate, you can always get back to Dr.
Yeah.
Vinita. She will correct it.
Yes, sir.
So this was for Ahuja. We have already shared. Then the next one. This is for Saurabh Devnath. Again, there will be perhaps correction because N is missing perhaps, but these can be corrected. Then the third one. Birinder Pal. So congratulations to all of you getting a certificate from Indian Library Association as a winner. You can always quote in your biodata, and it is of course international competition because I believe some of the people might be joining from neighboring countries as well,
Yes,
who
sir.
are our Indian like LIS professionals. Thank you very much. It was very interesting, and this is for the first time that so many people have played together. I have not faced those many like people together. In total, 233 people played, but of course, at a time there were not more than 200 because the platform has a capacity.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you very much, ILA, for giving me this opportunity. Pradeep Bhai, thank you very much, and General Secretary Sahab in absentia, our PRO, OSS, Benita, everyone. Thank you very much.
In fact, we are thankful
Thank
to
you
you,
so much.
sir. On behalf of ILA, I would like to thank once again your eminence and enlightening speech given more good inspiration and motivation for everyone. And thanks once again, Dr. Nabi Hasan, ILA President Pradeep Rai ji, and the Dharam Secretary, General Secretary, my friends Abhijit Sinha and Kattimani, few more already attended. And again, the organizers Vinita, Shambaji Patil, Saheli, Harshit, everyone who is without their cooperation, without their support, it could not, it cannot get a success. So I'm thankful to everyone once again. Thank you once again.
Right, Pradeep Bhai, I have
Have a
always
good day.
requested you to involve me in academic activities. I am always open for ILA.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nabi.
Thank you to all of you.
Thank you, Prasad.
Thank you to all of you.
Prasad, you are
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
PS of ILA.
Really, it was a very
PRO.
wonderful
Thank you.
It's all with
बस उसके बाद
good wishes, and we can make such more, many more, sir. Thank you once
आपको
again.
थैंक यू किसी ने नहीं दिया, मैं दे देता हूँ.
Sure, sir.
Sir, thank you.
We'll soon meet you in
Okay.
Delhi, sir.
प्रसाद सर को सब थैंक यू बोलते हैं सर. Thank you, ILA, for organizing the webinar.
Yes, yes. Congratulations to everyone, and thanks to Shubham and everyone.